Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add the bio on eToro. Open the app and log into your account, then you will get here. Now go to your profile by clicking on your picture here, and on the right you can see write bio. Click on it and write your short bio that will be visible every time, and give your full bio, which is also important, and people who are interested will click on it to see it. You may would like to include who you are, what you do, your interests or goals, and a short message to visitors. I will just write dots now. Then choose your investment strategy. For example, multi strategy. And when you have finished, click on done, and your bio is visible from now on. Thank you for your attention and happy trading.